greetings to each and every one of you. Welcome once again. I just want to quickly show you guys what is happening, and I want to bring you back to 6 hour. Let's get back to our 6 hour. We have seen how our 6 hour, right? We can see there is a divergence there. This is a bearish divergence. And also, right, you can see that the price has just went down all the way to about 43,200, and then the price came up. You can see over here 43,200, and then the price came up again from 45,400. It went down to 43,200, and then the price came up all the way up again, okay, to hit close to about 5,316. So there is a massive volatility here taking place, but this is going to be exciting because we are going to take advantage of the both market. Now I want you to see something, right? Look at this 1 hour chart over here. We have a tail over here. Okay, now tail represent weakness, and that is the reason why we are now seeing the liquidation and the price is going down. And this is a 15 minutes. You can see we have a tail over here, and therefore as the rule of thumb, okay, we're going to see the market actually reverse once again. Let's go to the 5 minutes. All right, you can see it is already weaker. It is already weak, and also we can see that the price is currently at the overbought area. Okay, overbought area, we might see a reversal. Now let's confirm that. So we can see on the 3 minutes there is already reversal taking place. All right. Now this is a very important. Direction is so key, and that is the reason why we are able to predict the market. We know exactly what is happening. Now let me just bring you quickly to my trading. All right, I have one of my trading here. Currently I am down by 25%, but I have just closed a few of my trade. Let me just quickly show it to you. So can you see that I have just closed a trade here with a 64%? Because I bought up when the market was actually rebounds. All right, when the market was actually rebounds over here, you can see over here, the market rebounds. Okay, the market came down. I took the profit over here. All right, I took the profit when the market came down, and then I went in again all the way up. Okay, all the way up, and took a 64%, which is close to about 0.02 Bitcoin profit. Can you just imagine that, right? Now that is about probably about $700 in just probably less than about 15 minutes being in the trade. All right. Now let me just show you something very interesting, guys. I know that most of you who are following me in JD100X leverage trading, you have learned. Okay, I've teach you how to do the ambush strategy. Let me just reset this whole thing back. Okay, I'm just going to show you something very important that any one of you can learn, and how to actually trade. And this is a strategy that has been developed in order to actually ambush the enemy, where we go into the enemy's line, we go and ambush the enemy, and then we come out victoriously. All right, now this is the game of war. This is a game of war on the 1 minute chart. So we teach you exactly how to deal, okay, with the market, and this is going to be real interesting. Now let's just get back to our 6 hour. It is always important to confirm the direction. We know at this moment 6 hour is very indecisive. Market is moving up and down. All right, let's look into 1 hour. 1 hour is actually weakening. Look at this long. All right, long wick. Okay, this is the head. The longer the head, the weaker. So we know that the pressure is down. The pressure is down because we have a tail over there. So the market is going to go down. We can confirm that on the shorter time frame. This is where we have the 15 minutes. You can see the candle on the new candle has already weakened. The 5-minute candle already indecisive, showing red, and it is already at the overbought area. Now we have the 3 minutes, right, which is already showing weaknesses, and it is coming down from the overbought area, and I'm expecting this to go down. Now, when we know the market is going down, now we have to go head on. All right, we go head on. So this is important. So when we do an ambush, we don't ambush, we don't add to the losing trade. All right, we add to the winning trade. So what do I mean? When the market is coming down, okay, head on, we want to go head on. Okay, so when the market is coming down, then only we go and ambush the enemy head on. Okay, head to head. All right, that is very important here. So let me just reset this once again. Okay, so I want you to see what is really happening here. Want to show you exactly how I'm going to do an ambush so that you can learn this strategy. And let me tell you something, guys. We are going to open up our next intake for the month of March. We're going to announce the date very, very soon. And I would like to, congratulate those of you who have been part of our first and the second batch this year. I know you are enjoying trading. I know that you are doing exactly as what you are learning here from the strategy. So this is just going to be awesome, right? Just going to be awesome. So I am now watching my 3-minute candle, my 5-minute candle over here. I'm looking at my 15 minutes, okay? I'm looking even at my 1 hour over here. I am now waiting for the market to go down, right? Now, when the market goes down, that is the time I'm going to go and ambush the enemy, all right? So please understand, do not rush, all right? Do not rush, just wait. And this is going to be real exciting. So let's just wait, okay, for the reversal. And then we're going to go and ambush. I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to hit on, ambush the enemy, and then we're going to walk out of this trade victoriously, right? So this is just going to be exciting, all right? Look at what is really happening here, and you can be learning exactly the same strategy that we're going to teach you. All right, so let's just wait for that, okay? Let me just wait for that. So this is important for every one of you to understand. I like to shake it, okay? Because when you shake it, that's where you make more money, all right? That's where you make more money. So I'm just joking, guys. I hope you are doing well as we are approaching weekend very, very soon. It's going to be an exciting weekend. I have already put up my macro analysis for this week, all right? So I'm expecting Bitcoin price to actually do some correction, all right? We're expecting for some correction before we see a recovery very, very soon. All right, let's just wait over here. All right, so all that matter to me is to grow my balance. Okay, I have about 0.18 Bitcoin. All right, and you can see that I am only using about 0.01. I am actually waiting to go and ambush the enemy. I'm waiting for the market to go down. Okay, I'm looking for the momentum. So let me just make these things bigger so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm looking for the momentum downwards. All right, so watch what happened. This is where my price is currently. I'm going to bring this price closer to the current market price, and thereafter I'm going to walk out of this trade victoriously. All right, so just watch. So can you see that we have a downtrend here? All right, but I'm looking for a strong momentum, okay, coming down here. So when I see a strong momentum, I'm going to go and hit on collusion, okay, collusion with the enemy, and I'm going to ambush the power of darkness here, right? So this is the war between the red army and the green army, and although I am down, okay, it doesn't matter because I can go and ambush, okay, and I can walk out of this trade. So all that is matter is a tactical strategy. There is no technical over here, all right? And when we talk about tactical strategy, we talk about wallet management. Make sure you have sufficient bullet, all right? Your bullet must be sufficient. If you're going to go into war, you need to have enough ammo. You need to have enough ammunition. You must have enough, okay, support of the air force, of the ground force, okay, and you need all the support because this is where you're going to go in and ambush the enemy and walk out of this battlefield victoriously, all right? So while we're waiting, I'm waiting for the right time. I'm not going to rush. Please understand, in waiting we make the money, all right? In waiting we make the money. So do not rush into the trade. Wait like a wolf, okay? Just watch the market, okay? Just watch attentively. Wait for the right time to go in and kill the power and the forces of darkness, right? So that is what I want you to learn over here. So we are not just traders, we are warriors. Every one of us, okay, who are part of JD100X Leverage, you learn how to become a warrior, all right? So we are not teaching you how to be a trader, we are teaching you how to be a warrior, all right? Let's just get back to our, all right, you can see it's building up now. All right, our 3 minutes is building up, so this is just awesome, and I'm expecting for a drop. I'm expecting for a drop very, very soon. So let's just see if this price can drop back to about 45,500. That will be quite awesome. All right, so let's just wait for that. So I'm going to watch my 1 hour. All right, my 1 hour actually currently is about 10 o'clock. Okay, it is now about 10:24. New York time. Okay, we are just about 24 minutes after this candle was formed. All right, so let's get back to our 15 minutes. We just have probably another few more minutes, okay, to be able to actually see another candle being formed over here. Let's look at our 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes. Okay, we have about few more seconds to see the next 5-minute candles over here, right? So I hope you are learning something, especially if you are from JD100X Leverage. This is what I call a gamified leverage trading. All right, this is going to be real exciting. Let's look into the next candle. All right, the next candle is coming here. Can you see that? So we have the next candle here. This candle is green. So that simply means that the 3 minutes is also green, right? So we are waiting, but it is indecisive. All right, it is indecisive. Look at it. It is already overbought. It is still hovering at the overbought area. All right. So we are waiting for the trend to actually reverse. All right. So let's just wait for that. So as I mentioned to you, this is a game of war. It's a gamified leverage trading. Okay, I am trading now currently at 10x. Can you see that? This is at 10x. All right, and I can change my leverage at any time. I can increase my leverage, or I can even reduce my leverage, taking advantage of the movement of the market. All right, so that is the beautiful part of leverage trading. And if you are ready and if you want to learn, all right, please watch the description box. Okay, read the below description box. You will be able to see the email address. Send the email. Okay, send for an inquiry and ask us, all right, for more information, and we will be able to actually come back to you, and we will be able to respond to you. Okay, so please make sure you send to the right email address and look forward for our reply. Okay, so watch what is happening here, guys. This is going to be a real exciting, the game of war, right? The game of war. Let me also see what is happening with Ethereum over here. While we are doing the Bitcoin trading, I'm going to look at what is happening with Ethereum too. All right, so probably we can take advantage here with the Ethereum also. All right, let me show you how am I going to put I'm going to place a trade here for Ethereum. So let me just get back to Ethereum. I can also trade Ethereum. This is currently Bitcoin. So while I'm waiting for Bitcoin price to actually reverse, I'm going to go and put a trade here for my Ethereum. All right, so watch what happened over here. Let me just get back and look at my direction. Direction is the most important thing in trading. You need to understand the direction. You need to understand the volume. You need to understand the money flow. All right, the money flow, whether the money is flowing in or the money is flowing out. And you also need to understand the divergence. Okay, whether it is a bullish divergence or whether it is a bearish divergence. Okay, these are very important indicators, very important consideration when you are going to enter the market to trade. All right, so that's the reason why I am watching every single timeline to look at opportunity when to enter into the market. All right, so that is very important. So this is great. So we can see already on the 6 hour for Ethereum, it is confirmed a bearish divergence. All right, it may not happen immediately, okay, because 6 hour may take some time, okay, but on a 1 minute we can see that currently, right, currently it is showing a bullish divergence, okay, a bullish divergence at this moment. All right, so you can see there is a contradiction of the market between bearish and bullish divergence. So in the long term, in the long time frame, we can see a bearish divergence, but in the shorter time frame, all right, we are seeing a bullish divergence. Okay, so this is where we need to understand. So that's the reason why if you are doing scalping, you are doing high frequency trading like what we are doing, we are looking at a shorter time frame. We are taking advantage at the shorter time frame, right? That is the most important thing. So let me just quickly put a trade over here. I'm just going to watch and wait for the 3 minutes, okay, because I'm looking for a reversal here, and then I can actually put this trade. So let's just watch what happened with our Bitcoin. At the same time, while I'm actually doing that, I'm going to show you exactly what is happening here with the Bitcoin. All right, I'm actually trading on 1 minute. Okay, this is a 1 minute wall. All right, minute wall on the 1 minute chart. All right, so please understand that. Let me just quickly get back to my Bitcoin over here. I'm watching Bitcoin situation, okay, because we are waiting for the opportunity to move in, okay, to go in at any time at this moment. So we can see Bitcoin now is price is actually going up. We just add the reversal. All right, Bitcoin price is going up, but will this price remain? All right, that's the question of it. Okay. That's right. So I expect probably the next candle we may see another weakness over here, and we could actually see a potential reversal taking place. All right, because we can already see the 1 hour candle is weakening over here. Let me get back to my Ethereum over here. Okay, so you can see on the Ethereum, right, it is already weakening. Okay, the 3 minutes is weakening. So I'm going to go back to my Ethereum over here. Let me just quickly show you. Okay, I'm going to put a trade here with Ethereum. Alright, so I have about 0.14149 Ethereum. Alright, so maybe I'm going to put up some trade over here to show you exactly how these things work. Okay, so let me just go on with 0.02 Ethereum over here. Alright, and I'm waiting for the right time. So I want you to watch what I'm doing here, because this is going to be a real revelation to many of you. Alright, to be able to trade. So you can see now Ethereum price is pushing upward. So we can confirm that. Okay, we can confirm that on our 6 hour over here. Alright, we can look at our 3 minutes. Okay, the price is pushing up. Alright, so this could be basically actually a bearish divergence. Okay, because market actually already weakened. So this could be a fake pump. So we do not want to go into the market at this moment, because overall 6 hour, right, is actually already weakening. So we have to be very careful here when we are walking into, or we are going into the market, right? So this is important consideration. Let's look into Bitcoin at the same time while we are waiting for the right time to enter into, right? So you can see here, right? So let me get back to my Bitcoin. So you can see, although, right, I am at minus 33%, that doesn't matter. Alright, because I am waiting to ambush, and you can see later on what is going to happen. And don't ambush too early and waste, okay, and waste your bullet. We wait until it is at the top. Okay, once it is at the top, then we are going to go in and ambush. So we are looking at a previous candle here. You can see it's already weakening. There is a tail over there, it's already weakening. So let's just wait for a few confirmation. Alright, so and normally we need about 3 to 6 candle, and you will be able to see the reversal taking place, right? So we will wait over here. So you can see, all right, the key is waiting. In waiting, we make the money, all right? So we have to wait for the right time to go in. And you are looking live trade over here. I'm doing a live trade, and I hope you are excited over that. Okay, Ethereum, can you see that? It is already showing weakness. Let's just get back to our Ethereum. Okay, and I'm going to place a trade here. I'm going to go for my Ethereum 0.02. Alright, and I'm going to go for 10x. And I'm going to buy down. I'm waiting for the next red candle to appear. And then I'm going to place another trade over here. Okay, so while I'm doing my Bitcoin over here, I can actually trade Ethereum at the same time, right? So that's the beauty of JD100XLEVERAGE, and with this platform that we are using, alright, you can actually learn to, can you see, as I mentioned to you, we are actually predicting the future. Alright, we don't care what happened in the past, we are predicting the future. Alright, so we know the future. That is the reason why we waited for this candle. Alright, so now I have a red candle over here. I'm not going to go in yet. I'm going to wait for the next red candle. Alright, and I'm looking for a strong momentum. Okay, a strong momentum downward. Okay, so let's just wait for this, and I'll show you exactly how I'm entering into this trade. So I'm ready here to enter a trade for the Ethereum. Let's just watch the next candle. Alright, the next candle is very important candle. So if we can have, that's right. Now I'm going to enter in, boom. Alright, so that is my Ethereum. I've just entered in, and I'm going to quickly, alright. Okay, that is fine, no worries about it. Okay, since it is So I'm going to enter in my anti-cut loss to protect this trade. All right, very quickly. Alright, so I'm going to place that anti-cut loss, and I'm going to get back to my Bitcoin here, and I'm going to look at what is happening, because I'm going to take advantage of the weakness of the market here. So although we see a build up here on the 3 minutes, right? Alright, but we're going to wait, because I believe that this build up, we could see a reversal very soon in terms of the volume and also in terms of the overbought area. Alright, we could see a reversal coming down, and this is going to be a nice reversal to take advantage. Right, so we have the over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show to you how I ambush the enemy. All right, how I ambush the enemy, how I'm going to make, okay, bring up, okay, improve this minus 32% or 30%. I want to show you how I improve this and bring the price closer to the current market price, and thereafter walk out of this trade victoriously. Okay, so in order to do that, we have to wait for the red army for a stronger momentum of the red army. At this moment, we don't have the momentum, right? So, and because we don't have the momentum, it is not the right time to actually go in. So when I say momentum, it has to come down strong, right? It has to come down strong. We need a strong momentum downwards in order for us to take advantage. So you can see we don't have the momentum yet. Okay, don't have the momentum yet. So it is not the right time to go in, okay, because the momentum is still upward. Let's look at what is happening here. So we look at 5 minutes. Okay, the momentum is still upward. We have a tail over here, so I'm expecting the next 3 to 6 candle we might see the reversal. Okay, we might see that. So we can also confirm here on the 15 minutes the candle already weakened. Look at the volume. The volume is now getting more and more lower and lower. Okay, all right, now let's look at 1 hour over here and our 6 hour. All right, so let's get back to our 3 minutes. Alright, let's just watch what happened here. So as I mentioned you, right, you can see the volume is actually coming down. We already see weaknesses. Alright, so I'm expecting a 3 to 6 candle. We could see a reversal taking place. Alright, so let's just wait. Over here, I want to show you exactly. We have a small tail here, 3 to 6 candle. Probably the next candle here, we could already see weaknesses. So waiting is the name of the game, alright? We wait for the right time. Don't rush into the trade. We wait for the right time. We look at all those confirmation, okay, before we enter in, okay? So there is no rush. So this is where you're going to learn, okay, how to look for the confirmation of the direction, confirmation of the volume, alright, the momentum of the market. So this is very, very important. Now this is great, okay? The higher it goes, the better it is, because we want to ambush at the top. We don't want to ambush halfway, all right? We want to ambush at the top. So this is very, very important. Can you see that? It is now weakening. Let me just go back and confirm my 3 minutes over here. All right, so let's wait for the next candle here and see what happened. We have another 10 seconds for the next candle to appear. Alright, now we have the next candle. So you can see, alright, this candle is now actually already weakened. The body is getting smaller. Now will this be a reversal? Okay, let's just wait. And let's even look at our 5 minutes, because 5 minutes candle is going to appear in probably another 30 seconds, right? 30 seconds. Let's look at what happens here. Alright, you can see the liquidation is taking place now, right? So this is the reason why we say wait. Alright, we say wait for the right timing, because we can have a liquidation. So this is basically what we call that the sellers are getting liquidated at this moment, okay? So that's the reason why when you are trading, we wait, we make sure we confirm all those parameters, okay? All those criteria to be confirmed before we even go into the trade. So these are very, very important insights, okay, into trading, and this is the reason why you have to learn, okay? You have to learn the strategy, the rules. These are very, very important strategy and the rules, okay? So we wait for the right time. So if you have rushed in and bought up, all right, you bought down, okay, you're going to be in trouble, right? So that's the reason why we waited, all right? So I hope you can really understand here. This is how we trade, because these are tactical strategy. So we use tactical strategy to trade over here. So let me just get back over here so you can see this is still on the 1 minute. Okay, we are already seeing quite a weaknesses of all these wicks. Okay, there are wicks over here. We are already starting to see the weaknesses, and we might start to see some reversal very, very soon. So I hope you are excited here, okay, as I'm explaining to you exactly how JD100X leverage works. I hope you are really, really excited. You're not looking at some of this exciting way, a revolutionary way, or what I call a gamified leverage trading. So I hope you are learning here. There's still a liquidation here. Can you see that? That's a huge liquidation going on. So we can see huge liquidation over here. Want you to watch what happened, right? So we are down, okay? It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter I'm down, because I have my anti-cut loss in place. So even if it hit my loss cut, okay, I will be still in the game. All right, so that is important. So my loss cut is about 47,000. So that is the reason why I am not really worried. There is no emotions over here. But I'm going to show to you when this market turn around, look at what is going to happen very, very soon. We wait, all right? We wait patiently. It doesn't matter. We wait like a wolf, all right? We watch the market over here. We're waiting for the market reversal. At the right time, we're going to go in. That's a nice, all right? Can you see that? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly, all right? I have about 0.01 Bitcoin currently trading over here. So I'm waiting for a reversal over here, all right? And I'm going to go in and show you how I'm going to ambush. Now I want you to look, all right? Currently, this is where my price is. I'm going to bring my price so close and start to take control of this market, all right? So watch what happens. So I'm going to double up, okay? I'm going to double up my amount here from 0.01. I'm going to double up and I want to bring this all the way, all right? All the way closer, all right? And I'm going to increase my leverage. I want to bring my price, my current price, okay? My entry price closer all the way to the current price, okay? So watch what happened here. So this is a powerful strategy, right? That you only learn at JD100X Leverage. Alright, so I'm going to show to you exactly so that you can take advantage here. Now, I'm going to go in, alright, and go and ambush the enemy. So look at what happened here. Can you see that? I have brought my current price all the way to, I have brought my entry price all the way to the current price. And if now the market would reverse and go down, I would be taking huge profit and walking away. Isn't that awesome? Can you see how powerful this strategy is? That is the reason why we don't worry if the market is going against us. We wait and we wait even if our direction was right, but market go against us. All right, it doesn't matter. We wait for the right time. All right, so this is so awesome, right? Let me just cancel my anti-liquidation and I'm going to place a new anti-liquidation at 1x. And that will be 0.03, right? 0.03. Let me put my anti-liquidation. And that will be 45,888. And that will be about 45,868. Alright? $20 difference because I am now buying down. Please understand that. So I'm going to buy down and put my anti-liquidation. And now my trade is protected. So if Bitcoin price goes up all the way and hit this loss cut, I will be still in the game, alright, because this is what we call an anti-cut loss, anti-liquidation. Alright, I hope this is getting exciting, right? This is getting real exciting, alright, and we are just waiting over here, and when this market rebounds, we're going to have a fantastic time to enjoy the profit, alright? So I hope you are learning something, okay? I hope you are learning something. I hope those of you, all right, who have yet to enroll, who want to find out more about JD100X Leverage, do take advantage, all right? Send an email to us at jdcryptoleverage@gmail.com and we will come back to you and update you and give you the information that is required pertaining to the upcoming mentorship program that is going to take place in the month of March. So let's just see what happened over here as we wait, right? You can see on the 3 minutes, we are already now moving from the overbought area. We are now moving down, right? So on the 5 minutes, okay, it is the same thing as I mentioned to you, right? 3 to 6 candle. Can you see the weakness of the 4th candle after the tail, right? There is already weakness over here. So will the market actually, all right, move, okay, in our favor? So that is going to be real exciting here. So we can see a consolidation taking place sideways. All right, so we are waiting for the breakaway. All right, for the breakaway, for the breakout. So we can have a nice breakout downwards. Okay, this is going to be real exciting, and I'm going to close this trade in profit just before your eyes. Okay. There you go. As I mentioned to you, we did an ambush. Can you just see what is happening here? All right, we are now taking over the enemy's line. All right, so we are waiting for the market to go down slightly. All right, because we have a 7.99% fees to cover, and if we can cover these fees, all right, we can walk out with this trade victoriously. Wow, can you just imagine what can you do tactically instead of technically, and how you can actually take advantage of the market, and you can actually trade in both sides, the bear and the bull, and you can make money. Wow, can you just look at that, what is going on? That is a 28%, 27%, all right, profit just before your eyes. Why is it? Because we waited. I am making profit on both sides, my Bitcoin and my Ethereum. Wow. Wow, can you just imagine that this is happening before your eyes live? I'm doing this live, right? Let's wait. Let's look at it. Can you look at the liquidation? The liquidation, as I mentioned to you, right? The liquidation is taking place over here, and we're going to probably see more downtrend coming up. Let's see what happened over here. 27%. Are we going to close now? I can close at any time because I can cover my fees. And at the same time, I still have a huge profit over here. Can you just imagine that, right? So this is awesome. This is awesome, guys. This is just awesome. This is what we call a gamified leverage trading. Gamified leverage trading. Come and learn, okay? Come and learn how you can take advantage of this gamified leverage trading. Wow, this is just interesting. 37%, 0.01 Bitcoin. Can you just look at that? If you can do this just within a few seconds, all right, will you be excited? Will you be very happy? All right, I think this is going to be exciting, guys. So let me just close this trade, okay? Close this trade just before your eyes. That is about 40%. All right, I'm going to close this trade just before your eyes to show you exactly how this thing actually works. I hope you are excited there and look forward in our next segment. God bless each and every one of you. Let me just close this trade before your eyes. Alright, and I'm going to even close my Ethereum trade just before your eyes. And I'm going to close all